Step 4. Computer installation. Remove the 4 screws A2 from the back of the computer A1. Then remove the twist ties around the upper pulse cable B4 and computer cable B5. Then connect the upper pulse cable B4 from the mainframe D1 to the computer A1 and the computer cable B5 to the white 9-pin socket on the back of the computer A1, and attach the computer A1 to the computer plate B2 with the 4 screws A2 you removed from the computer. Then tighten the screws using the 4mm Allen wrench provided.